Most people avoid budgeting for one simple reason. It takes forever and feels overwhelming. Spreadsheets, categories, math, second-guessing every number. And by the time you're done, you're too exhausted to actually stick to it. But what if you could hand that entire job to an AI and have a complete, personalized monthly budget ready in under 60 seconds? That's exactly what this video is going to show you. A single Claude prompt that does the heavy lifting for you. No spreadsheets, no financial degree, no coding required. Before we get into the prompt, let's talk about why Claude specifically works so well for this. Unlike basic calculator apps, Claude understands context. You can speak to it in plain English, give it your real numbers, and it builds something that actually reflects your life, not a generic template from 2015. And here's the thing, you don't need Claude Pro for this. The free tier works. Right now. Here's the prompt. Write this down or pause the screen right now. I need help building a practical monthly budget. My monthly take-home income is X. My fixed expenses are, list them, rent, car, subscriptions, and so on. My variable expenses last month were approximately X on food, X on entertainment, X on miscellaneous. My current savings goal is X per month. Please build me a detailed monthly budget with categories, recommended spending limits for each category, a savings plan, and flag any areas where I might be overspending based on common financial guidelines. Watch what happens. Claude doesn't just spit back your numbers in a table. It analyzes them. It applies the 50-30-20 rule, or adjusts it based on your actual situation. It flags overspending, it builds categories you probably didn't think to include, and it explains every recommendation in plain English. Look at this. In under 30 seconds, we have a complete monthly budget, fixed costs separated from variable, a savings allocation, and 3 specific flags where spending is out of alignment with the savings goal. This would have taken most people 2 hours in a spreadsheet, and half of them would have given up before finishing. Now here's where it gets more powerful. Because Claude remembers your conversation context, you can immediately refine this budget with follow-up prompts. Just like that. Ask it to optimize. Ask it to find cuts. Ask it what happens if your rent goes up next month. Claude doesn't just build the budget once. It becomes a thinking partner for your finances. Let's talk about 3 ways to make this prompt even more powerful. First, be specific with your numbers. The more accurate your inputs, the more useful Claude's output. Ballpark figures give you ballpark results. Real numbers give you a real plan. Second, tell Claude your actual goal. Are you saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, building toward a down payment? When Claude knows your target, it reverse engineers your budget to get you there faster. Third, use this prompt monthly. Your income changes, your expenses shift. Run this prompt at the start of every month and you have a dynamic budget that evolves with your life, not a static spreadsheet you abandon in February. If you want to take this further, the description below has a link to a full Claude Personal Finance Prompt Pack, a collection of ready-to-use prompts covering budgeting, savings goals, debt payoff planning, and weekly money reviews. Everything pre-written, so you can just plug in your numbers and go. The links in the description may also include tools we recommend for building on this workflow. Those are affiliate links. If you purchase through them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. We only recommend tools we'd actually use. If this was useful, subscribe. Because every week we publish prompts and workflows that help you use Claude to manage your money, grow your side hustle, and save time on the things that usually drain it. The next video covers the 5 Claude prompts that side hustlers are using right now to work faster and earn smarter. It's already queued up on screen. 1 prompt, 60 seconds. Your entire monthly budget, done. See you in the next one.